Hello, sir. Ma'am. Would you like to buy some wonderful, delicious, yummy full Pringles?
Hold on.
Delicious.
You better get off our property.
Get off our property.
This will be the last video. Can you tell?
Sharp enough to cut through anything.
Look, it's alive.
Stop, citizen.
Axes, great for getting rid of annoying Pringle salesmen.
Golly, Robbie, I'm so thirsty.
Yeah, Al. I could use something to think about now.
How about some root beer?
Thanks, Josh.
Thanks, Josh.
Root beer is great when you're thirsty.
Are you a fairy?
Yeah, a root beer fairy.
Boy, this is great.
Even when you're dead, it's still delicious.